bulges up the midfield just a little bit, but it still gives them a really nice front-to-back movement. Ajay had a great finish to the end of last season, so he's a very dangerous option. At the new stadium is a loss. Will that continue? Let's find out. There's the whistle, and we're underway. Ajay. A nice break for Mason. Lobs it in just over the head of Akale. What can he pencil out from here? Akale winds it on his left and loops it in. Beautifully done. As he gets the height here, and it's the dip late on, it makes it so surprising for Pack. A lovely set piece, and he very well may be going back-to-back in goals of the week. He just wrapped that left boot around it and nestled it into that top corner. Just when they needed it as well. It looked like it might be a barren first half for Tormenta. Driven across, held onto by Hara. And so a defensive set piece here to try and see away. Murphy stands over it, having just come on. Fired in and just wide. Murphy, lofted ball for Amo. Heavy touch, riding down on goal, but Pack is there. Just where it needed to, into space, and he got a second bite at it. Akoto. Akale blocked by Pack. Murphy takes it himself. Fortunate bounce. Laid off and Pack again. A late flurry of opportunities as we're past the 4 minutes of added time. And there goes the final whistle for the first time. Defeat experienced for these fans here in Statesboro.